Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to download and install the iQMaxPro software. Please follow along step by step. 1. Open your web browser and go to our official website, www.autroniq.com. 2. Once the website loads, navigate to the top menu. Hover your mouse over Support, then click on Downloads from the drop-down menu. 3. On the Downloads page, click the green download button under either A100 or A200, depending on your device. 4. After the zip file has downloaded, extract it to a folder on your computer. 5. Open the extracted folder and right-click on the iQMaxPro Manager program, then select Run as Administrator. 6. The setup wizard will appear. Simply click Next through the installation steps until you reach Finish. 7. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the iQMaxPro Manager icon on your desktop. Run it as administrator. And that's it. The iQMaxPro Manager software is now installed and ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our official website.